Hey, so welcome back to Matt and Ryan's low budget cooking show. Today we're making some Mexican chocolate walnut snack bars. So Matt, tell us what the ingredients
The
are.
ingredients are pitted dates, roasted almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, cocoa powder, cinnamon, and salt.
All right. So what are we doing here, Matt?
Taking the measurements of the almonds and dates and putting them into the food processor. That's a food processor, right?
It is, yes.
Okay. So 1 1/4 cups of pitted dates, 3/4 cups of almonds, half a cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 pinch of salt are the measurements for the ingredients.
Right. So what are you doing? What are you doing here in the video?
Taking the measurements.
But what are these?
Those are the pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds, yeah. So you've already added the pitted dates, the almonds, and the walnuts. So we're on to the pumpkin seeds. Nice.
Yeah.
So how much of a mess did we make during this?
Quite a big mess.
Yeah, but that's okay because mess you can clean up. What are you doing now?
Putting in the cinnamon.
Oh,
No, that's cocoa powder.
cocoa powder. And how much cocoa powder do you put in?
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. Yeah. So the cocoa powder probably made the most mess, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It temporarily stained the.
The counter.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. You just wipe it out. So what's going on here?
That's the cinnamon being put on. That is the cinnamon. And there's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon being put in.
Yeah. And what's this?
That's the salt. If it was up to me, we'd be putting more cinnamon in, but
More cinnamon.
more
Yeah.
cinnamon.
Okay. Excellent. So where are we at now? You've pretty much put all the ingredients into the food processor.
It's whizzing it up.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then, maybe after a while, just stick couple tablespoons of water in it to make
Oh
it
yeah.
moist.
So
or
we
moist.
had to take the food processor to the sink, which I think is just about to happen because we needed to put 2 tablespoons of water in. This moistens everything. Oh, and there we are coming
Transition.
back. So we put two tablespoons in and give it a bit more of a whiz up.
More time.
So what happens when you put 2 tablespoons into this mixture?
It gets more moist and a little more sticky.
Yeah. Which is kind of important if you want the bars to stick together.
Yeah,
That's
if you wanted to keep it whole
Yeah.
and not crumble apart.
Yeah. Water is the moisturing agent. So what are we doing now?
We are taking out taking out the blade and then ready to pour the sticky mixture into a pan,
Right.
which will then be put into the fridge. After it's pushed down on,
Right. So
it'll be in the fridge for about 30 minutes.
yeah. What are we grabbing now?
Spatula, I think. Yeah. Spatula to spread it out more and compact it more to make it stick together easier.
Yeah. So we took turns patting it down because you need a little bit of muscle to pack it down. I'll squeeze out a lot of the air so it's basically lies flat.
Yeah.
And there we go. There's Matt's turn.
Should be done soon.
Yeah. And my turn. Should be good and flat. So then we're going to take it and do what with it?
Stick it in the fridge for about 30 minutes
30 minutes.
to kind of make it freeze the moisture in it.
Yeah, something like that.
It's just me guessing. I have no idea what it actually
How long again? How long?
happened. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. 30. Okay, so now we're done. We're taking it out of the fridge. What's next?
You take it out of the pan using the paper underneath it, and take a knife and cut it into however you want it to be cut. easier way just to cut it in half, then into quarters,
Yep.
then maybe into eighths, or however you want it.
Yeah, I think we cut this into what, like 24 pieces?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, 24 pieces. It's like a 8x8 pan, I think.
8-inch?
8-inch by 8-inch,
Okay.
or 9-inch by 9-inch, something like that. And
Then just stick it in a container, stick it back into the fridge to keep it from falling apart over time, I guess.
yeah, just to keep
And-
it nice and tidy.
And then it's done.
So how long do you think something like this would last in the fridge?
Maybe a week, maybe
Yeah.
a little more longer.
How long does it usually last in the fridge?
Couple days.
Couple days. Yeah, people like these. So, so here you are in the video. You're putting everything in your pan or in your glass. It's a glass container, I guess, is what we use. We're also leaving a few out to snack on. So that's good, eh?
Yeah.
And you and Chris really like these, right?
I do.
Yeah. Chris likes them too.
Yeah.
So good. Well, good job.
Yeah.
Why are you taking my video?
Just because we wanted to see what you think of it. Look over here.
Mushy.
Is it good?
It's okay.
Yeah. It's okay. That's the best you got. It's okay.
Well,
He really likes it. He's just afraid to say it. He
Yeah.
I'm
wants.
pretty sure I can taste like
want-
99% Dad's work and 1% Matt's work.
Oh.
So like none of it tastes good
Excuse me.
that Matt made of it.
Oh. Okay.